Originally, instruments for root canal treatment were few in number and crude in design. Recently, new endodontic instruments have been introduced to the field of endodontics. In this video, you're going to observe the shapes and functions of various endodontic instruments. The Endodontic Explorer D16 is a double-ended instrument with long tapered tines at either a right or obtuse angle. This design facilitates the location of canal orifices. The 31L spoon excavator is another long shank instrument. The excavator is used to remove caries, deep temporary cement, or coronal pulp tissue. The Endodontic Excavator has a right or left orientation similar to that of operative hand excavators. The Glick number 1 is for placement of temporary restoration with the paddle end and removal of excess gutta percha with the heated plugger end. The rod-shaped plugger is graduated in 5 mm increments. The 5/7 heater plugger is used for searing off excess gutta percha at the canal orifice and then vertically compressing the remaining gutta percha. Locking pliers can be very useful in holding paper points or gutta percha cones at a measured length. The Endodontic Ruler is used to determine estimates of canal lengths with radiographs and to set files to the estimated and corrected working lengths. The Luer lock syringe is used to irrigate the canals with various solutions including hypochlorite, EDTA, and MTAD. The lock prevents the needle tip from exploding off the syringe if the irrigating needle should become obstructed. Lentilla spiral drills are used in slow-speed handpieces. They have been used to spin paste, sealer, cements, or calcium hydroxide in the canal. The spreaders and pluggers are used for condensing and adapting gutta percha and creating a space for accessory cones. They either have a metal extended handle or a plastic handle. A barbed broach is an intracanal instrument that is carefully used to extirpate the pulp. The endodontic hand files are standardized with respect to size, taper, and color coding on the plastic handle. The color coding is a repeating color pattern of white, yellow, red, blue, green, and black. The Gates Glidden drills are used in a slow-speed handpiece and are used to establish a straight line access into the canal. Piezo reamers are also used in a slow-speed handpiece and are used to establish straight line access into the canal. Hand files can be used with a push-pull motion, a twiddling or watch winding motion, or a reaming motion in the canal. Hand reamers are more often used with only a rotational or reaming motion. Hand instruments and rotary instruments should be frequently inspected for unwinding and excessive bending.